You monetize your YouTube, you monetize your Facebook, you also monetize your TikTok. Why not monetize your WhatsApp? Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your WhatsApp and earn from it. My experience of earning through WhatsApp is what I'm going to be explaining to us. This is a practical method which has worked for me, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can actually use your WhatsApp and make money online. This is simply just a simple method you can do wherever you are. The question most people get is asking, am I to connect my WhatsApp to a platform that will actually generate me this money? Now, several platforms has two options, just like what I shared previously. When you refer individuals, you are being paid for that about 1,500 naira. Now this particular one I'm going to be showing you is going to earn you more, but it is not compulsory you connect your WhatsApp to this platform. All you have to do is to leverage the second option, which I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Now the only thing I ask you to do right now is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So without no further ado, let's jump into this. So now when you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you can get to this interface where it says notice withdrawal notice. The withdrawal channel is now fully open. Feel free to proceed with your withdrawals. Reward for inviting friends to become your subordinate will be distributed in 3 badges within 96 hours. Please stay online to receive them on time. Earn big while staying online. Accumulate online time each month to claim generous rewards effortlessly. Sit back and enjoy non-stop bonuses. Thank you for continued support. Wishing you loads of rewards every day. Okay, so click on this. Now to set up an account, you're going to select your country. We have Indian, we have Nigerian, we have several other countries right here. So you can go ahead to pick Nigeria and say yes. Now you can actually come here to select your language: English, Hausa, Bengali, Hindi, and likes of other country language right here. Pick Nigeria, click on yes. Now once you have actually picked on yes, it's going to direct you over to where you actually need to set up an account. Now it says welcome to tax center. Please choose an option to continue. You either log in or you sign up. Now as a new user, you click on sign up and you're going to be brought into this interface. Now listen very well. You have an email address or a mobile number to sign up on this platform, but I recommend you go in registering with an email address, put in a password, confirm your password. Make sure your password is something you can remember. Then click verify you are human. Then once that is done, click on sign up. Then your account is created right on this platform. Now after signing up on this platform, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now you can actually see invite tax. When you invite one individual, you're getting 1,665 naira. That is one option of earning. Okay, now when you log in connecting your WhatsApp to this platform, you are making 900 naira on your account. This is an experience I'm actually explaining to you right now. When you connect your WhatsApp to this platform, you are getting 900 naira, and when you invite individual, you're making over 1,665 naira. You are actually making above 2,000 naira daily by this. Okay, now when you come right to standing machine, this is also another means of earning. But right now when you come also to invite new user, this is where you are going to be getting your affiliate link to share to your friends. Where they use your affiliate link, you're going to be getting the actual amount that was set, which is the 1,665 naira. Now the first thing you want to do right now is to first of all connect your WhatsApp to this platform, and which is optional, but when you connect, you're getting 900 naira. So now what you just have to do is to click on login for WhatsApp, and it's going to bring you over to this interface, and it's going to show you how you can actually do that. So now all you just have to do is to click on get income. Now when you click on get income, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So what you just have to do is to come over here, click on it. Let me go back so you can understand. First of all, I said login for WhatsApp. Now when you click on login for WhatsApp, come under where it is get income. So when you click on get income, you're going to be brought into this interface. Tap on link with phone number instead. and you're going to be brought into this interface. Now you can actually see the process. It says log into WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, tap link device, then click a device, point your phone at this screen and scan the QR code. That is if you're actually using the QR code. Switch to phone number association, enter verification code while the conversation is loading. So right now what you just have to do is to put in your WhatsApp number right here. Just going to put in my WhatsApp number right here. I'm just going to put in my WhatsApp number right here. And so right now I just added my WhatsApp number right here, removing the first 0 because your country code already takes that plus 234. So come right here and click on get OTP. Now you're going to be waiting for the OTP to be generated for you right on this platform. As you can see right now, 777. You can copy this. Now we're going to switch to our WhatsApp, come down to link device, or better still look for where you can actually get the link device. Or if you can't actually get it from here, just come right to your account and click on link device. So once you click on link device, it's going to ask you to open. So you just have to open this. Can't find you. Okay, allow. So we just have to continue like this. So link with phone number. So actually we got 777. We're going to paste this right here, and we are going to be waiting for our connection to be successful. So once you link your WhatsApp to this platform successfully, you have passed this particular task. So let's wait for a couple of minutes so this can actually find your device to be linked to. Okay, as you can see right now, you can link other device to this account. You can link multiple WhatsApp contacts to this particular platform. So right now we are successfully linked our WhatsApp to this platform. So when you go back to your account, you can actually find that your WhatsApp is currently online. What does this mean? This actually means that when you go back to your account, since you've actually linked your WhatsApp to this platform, you are going to be earning 900 naira on your account every 24 hours. Now when you link more than one WhatsApp contact, you're going to be earning more. Okay, right now the other means is to invite individuals to this platform. As I earlier said, when you invite a particular individual to this platform, you are making 1665 naira for yourself. Now to get your invitation link, just come right here and you're going to be finding invite new user. Now when you go ahead copying this particular invitation link, you can now share this with your friends, and you can know how much you'll be making depending on the amount of time and the amount of friends you can be able to bring to this platform. Currently now I have over 150 naira. So this is a platform you can actually leverage, and you're going to be accumulating earnings for yourself without any single capital. Okay, so right now you can come right here to revenue details, withdrawal details, system message, change passwords, lower level, and you can actually log out. So that is how you can use this platform. This is actually a user-friendly interface. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope much value was achieved, and if so, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification, so whenever I post amazing content like what you just watched, YouTube is going to send you a notification. So also it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where you can actually get the updates I post daily. See you on my next video and keep winning.